Hello, Frank, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that I think it is very important to actually boost the traffic to your website so that you can attract more customers and grow your company. I will be covering the website, the content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have, well, the links to the different back pages. You have this animated logo over here, which is really cool. I really like it. You have the very nice pictures and very nice visuals of the jobs that you have performed, a little bit of a description of the services you provide, the contact us form, really important, and testimonials. You have also, well, WhatsApp and Instagram links over here. So there are a few things that you could do. Let's start from the top. You could add, for example, the click to call button at the top. You could also have a contact us form, so just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. Um, in terms of the gallery, these ones just have to make sure that they are correctly saved because everything that you have in here is considered content. So let's have a look here. So you are saving them as creative remodeling services. So that's good. Let me just go down. In terms of the description, you could add more description, a brief description of all of these services that you provide, and I will explain to you in a minute why that is important. And then the footer, you could have the directory of the whole website and the location, a little bit more information on how to reach out to you. So in terms of the amount of content, right now, your website has 191 words. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because it's through content that you are not only able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, or what people search for when they want to buy a product or a service, but it also allows you to, or allows Google to understand what your website is about, right? So if I have a look at two of your competitors, Streamline, this is a landing page for kitchen remodeling services only. These guys have 706 words. They're ranking at the top, and I will show you in a minute. And then Miami Kitchen and Bath Remodeling. These guys have 324 words. So definitely an opportunity for you to explore there is just to throw in more content with more relevant buyer intent keywords. So I came here to the Google search and I type in kitchen remodeling Miami. And the first section that we see is the Google Ads. This section is really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotagged pictures, reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them and you can start ranking at the top and grab one of these top 3 positions. And then you have the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top of the Google Organic Search, you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at your website and I can see that you have no backlinks. And a backlink is basically a link in an external website that is directing traffic towards your website. And it's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing in their Google search engine, right? So let's have a look at your competitors. So Streamline Design Center, these guys, just the kitchen remodeling landing page has 12 external websites directing traffic towards them through 14 backlinks. And if I look at these guys, Miami Kitchen, these guys have 112 external websites directing traffic through 239 backlinks. So it's important to have a look and review that backlink profile so that you can start signaling to Google that you are an authority in those particular topics. So first, the content is the most important part, and then start building that backlink profile. Now, in terms of content, your website is not being found for any organic keyword. And if I look at Streamline Design Center, these guys are being found for 69 organic keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month. And the position is in which position that particular keyword The position is in which position that website is appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So we can see here that kitchen remodeling Miami is searched for 450 times per month. And because they're in the third position, they were able to drive 64 visits to their website. Miami kitchen remodeling, it's another buyer intent keyword, has a search volume of 150, and because they're in the third position, they were able to drive 18 visits to their website. So basically, what you want to do here is that you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And the way to do that is to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, target those keywords in the content of your website so that Google can find you, and then because then a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to call you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information and boost the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.